How to restore lost data after accidentally resetting your phone. If you've accidentally reset your phone and lost data, here are some steps you can take to attempt data recovery. 1. Check Cloud Backup. If you had cloud backup services enabled on your phone, such as Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iPhone, check to see if your data was backed up. You can usually restore your data during the initial setup process after a reset. 2. Google Photos, Android, or iCloud Photos, iPhone. Photos and videos are often one of the most valuable pieces of data. If you use Google Photos on Android or iCloud Photos on iPhone, your photos might be automatically backed up. 3. Google Account or Apple ID. Log into your Google account, Android or Apple ID. iPhone. On your device and check if your contacts, calendars, and app data are being synced to the cloud. You can usually restore this data by syncing your account. 4. Restore from manufacturer's backup, Android. Some Android phones have a built-in backup and restore feature. Check your device's settings for a backups, reset, or similar option, and see if you can restore your data from the manufacturer's backup. 5. Third-party backup apps. Apps like Helium Titanium Backup, Oroid, or Amazing iOS may have the ability to restore your data. 6. Data recovery software. There are some third-party data recovery apps available for both Android and iOS devices. Examples include Dr. Phone, Phonorescue, Disk Drill, etc. 7. Contact your mobile service provider. Some mobile service providers offer backup services or may have recommendations for recovering lost data. Contact your service provider for guidance. 8. Restore from iTunes, iPhone. If you use an iPhone and regularly sync your device with iTunes on your computer, you might be able to restore your data from a previous backup using iTunes. Important tips. Avoid using your phone for new data storage until the recovery process is complete to prevent overwriting the lost files. Regularly back up your phone to avoid future data loss incidents. Keep in mind that the success of these methods may vary, and it's always a good idea to have a backup strategy in place to prevent data loss in the first place. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload a new video.